IKEA standard slipcovers don't always match your vibe. That's why I created custom slipcovers for IKEA outdoor cushions. With trending colour and pattern options, you can mix and match to create your perfect combination. Our slipcovers are machine washable and made from durable, weather-resistant fabric. Whether you love timeless neutrals or bold prints, we've got something to suit your style. Thousands of our customers have already upgraded their outdoor furniture. Why don't you check out our reviews? Sustainability matters to us, so please upcycle instead of dispose. Don't settle for basic. Shop now and personalize your IKEA furniture.